Aw, that's funny.
So is Caitlin. Look. Do you like it? Oh, I guess she's not. I guess she's
She's ticklish under here, usually. Tickle. Aw. Boogie wuggy.
I have one of these.
You do?
Yeah. The same bug.
Oh. Oh, yeah, I remember.
Hey, babies! That's all. You catch me over here.
You're silly, Jay. Yo, Buggy.
Where does McKenna sleep in the nighttime? And
She sleeps in her car seat. It's nap time.